Should you invest in cryptocurrency? Hey guys, this is Nick with Nick Does DJI and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my thoughts on investing in cryptocurrency in 2021 and beyond as a conservative investor. Don't forget to hit that like button and let's get started. Quick note, I'm going to start this video off with my own personal experience with crypto, so please feel free to skip ahead using the video chapters below if you desire. My first run-in with cryptocurrency occurred way back in late 2011 when my college roommates, who happened to be computer science majors, started talking about this mysterious digital coin currency called Bitcoin existing only on the internet and whose creator or creators remained anonymous. They further explained that Bitcoin was a decentralized network made up of network nodes that verify transactions using a peer-to-peer verification process and recorded in a public ledger called a blockchain. They showed me this original white paper and they told me to get into this new technology. It's safe to say my mind was blown, yet skeptical at the same time. How could a digital currency that exists solely in the digital world be used to facilitate real-world transactions? Because this concept was so foreign, I sadly brushed off my friend's explanations and went on with my life. Until early 2017, when I started seeing news articles about the rise of Bitcoin and other so-called altcoins, I'd always believed that putting money into crypto was a gamble because the price was determined by buyer sentiment and demand. Just as I had been a stubborn college kid 5 years prior, I continued to have a hard time believing in the future of crypto. Nevertheless, I've decided it was finally time to test the waters. I allocated some money to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple in hopes of not just seeing a return on my money, but because I truly believed in the power of blockchain technology. My initial impression was that the companies would just steal blockchain technologies from cryptos and implement it into their own products or services. Shortly thereafter, we witnessed the first true crypto bull run in late 2017, and it felt like a surreal snippet of time. We had mainstream media talking about the rise of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and we started seeing more companies testing out blockchain technology with satisfactory use cases. The price of Bitcoin peaked at just under $20,000 on December 16, 2017. But this moment was short-lived as crypto crashed as media attention fizzled out and large anonymous crypto holders, or so-called crypto whales, liquidated their positions, which started a 2.5-year bear market. Since mid-2020, however, we have seen Bitcoin and cryptocurrency come back with a vengeance, and this time it's different. Coming out of another difficult economic environment as governments frantically fight off the effects of the pandemic, there has been a large influx of new cash, leaving many investors worried about incoming inflation. We have already seen a record influx of money poured into the stock market, real estate, and alternative asset classes like commodities and now cryptocurrencies. You have large hedge funds, publicly traded corporations, and high net worth individuals publicly announcing investments into Bitcoin and to other cryptocurrencies. For example, Tesla billionaire Elon Musk announced that the car company would initiate a $1.5 billion stake in Bitcoin and allow customers to purchase Tesla vehicles using Bitcoin. PayPal's Venmo just started allowing its 70 million customers to buy and sell crypto on the fintech app. Shark Tank billionaires Kevin O'Leary and Mark Cuban came out saying that they each hold positions in both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the list of examples go on, but it appears that there is a much more wide-scale adoption compared to 2017, leading to all-time record highs like we've never seen before. Bitcoin hit a record high of just over 60,000 on April 13th. Ethereum hit an all-time high of 2,500 on April 15th. And Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started off as a meme joke with a Shiba Inu dog as a face of the coin, skyrocketed 3,000% in 2021 alone to 43 cents on April 16th. And this leads to the million-dollar question: should you invest in cryptocurrency in 2021 and beyond? With investments in blue-chip dividend growth-paying stocks, as well as in commercial real estate, I consider myself to be a fairly conservative investor. First and foremost, my goal with any investment is to not lose money and at least outpace the rate of inflation. Truth be told, it's hard for me to invest a substantial amount of money into crypto. I'm certainly bullish on crypto and I believe it'll be worth far more in the future than it is today. However, it's still hard as a conservative investor to simply ignore the risk that comes with crypto investing. with respects to real estate and blue chip dividend growth companies, I have a higher degree of certainty that these investments will continue to grow in the years to come without the volatility of a newer asset class like cryptocurrencies. Just recently, we saw a flash crash in the crypto space that resulted in $310 billion being wiped out within 24 hours, shrinking the market cap from more than $2.2 trillion to less than $1.9 trillion. With real estate and to a lesser extent the stock market, I'm not going to wake up one random Sunday morning and find that my investments have dropped 14% overnight. I would probably have a heart attack and grow a lot of white hair if that did actually happen. It's simply far more difficult to analyze and evaluate cryptocurrencies to the extent that you can analyze a real estate property's rental income or a blue chip dividend company's earnings via SEC filings. And it's harder to conceptualize when your whole existence is reliant on not being backed by any physical asset. That being said, I do believe in asset allocation and the importance of diversification. I personally allocate no more than 1% of my net worth into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple to hedge against some of the massive gains crypto has seen this past year and to take part of this historical moment. I too believe that crypto can become a store of value and another hedge against inflation. I see it for what it is. Investing in crypto is black and white, a high risk, high reward investment, and my whole investing philosophy remains the same. Invest no more than what you can afford to lose and set it and forget it. Whether Bitcoin hits $100,000 or crashes back down to $0, I would not be greatly impacted because any money I put in was quote unquote play money. If I lose all of this money, I am completely okay with that, and I would still have my emergency fund, real estate, and stocks to keep me financially afloat. As for the title of this video and the $1 million question, I believe that everyone, including conservative investors, should at least consider buying some cryptocurrency. The amount you put in should be specific to your own financial situation, and please don't risk more than what you are comfortable with. Please don't gamble away your life savings or take out any debt to YOLO in crypto. But at the same time, don't just shy away because this is a completely new thing or technology. Our world is forever changing, adapting, and evolving. There are more than 4,500 different cryptocurrencies in existence as of February 2021, so please do your own research and not put your money into anything and everything just because random people on YouTube or TV are telling you that a certain crypto will 10x and skyrocket to the moon. As for my own crypto investments, I currently use BLOCKFI to hold most of my cryptocurrency and earn monthly compounding interest. You can earn up to 6% APY on Bitcoin and up to 5.25% APY on Ethereum. If you are in need of a crypto brokerage, check out BLOCKFI, and I will include a link in the description below for referral codes so you and I can each earn $10 in Bitcoin. I would love to hear your thoughts, especially as it relates to cryptocurrency and investing in crypto. Are you buying, staying away, or anything? Comment down below. Please note that this video is not intended as financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, and please take the information with a grain of salt. Please do your own research and due diligence when deciding to invest in investable securities. If you found this video helpful, please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell notification to receive an alert on all the newest videos. The YouTube algorithm likes these sorts of engagements and helps my channel get shown on more homepages. Until next time, take care.